Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of temporary tattoos with what could be the best henna skin solution available on the market. We'll be taking an in-depth look at the temporary tattoo India painting tattoo paste cone set by wumawu. Whether you're looking to add some flair to your style or test out a new look without the commitment, this might just be the perfect fit for you. First off, let's talk about what you get with this set. It comes with a generous 30-piece set of tattoo stickers in various colors including black, brown, and red. These aren't your ordinary stickers. They're made to resemble the intricate designs of traditional henna art, giving you that authentic look without the hassle. One of the standout features of this product is its durability and waterproofing. Once applied and dried, these tattoos can last anywhere from 3 to 7 days, making them perfect for events, parties, or just everyday wear. They're also incredibly easy to use. Simply apply the paste, let it dry, and voila! Instant art that stays put. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: safety. These tattoos are made from pure natural powders and essential oils, ensuring that they're safe for your skin with no harmful chemicals. It's a worry-free option that even those with sensitive skin can enjoy without hesitation. From a user perspective, feedback has been overwhelmingly positive. Many users appreciate how easy it is to apply these tattoos, and the fact that they come off easily when you're ready to remove them. It's a hassle-free way to experiment with different looks, whether you're going for a subtle accent or a bold statement piece. To wrap things up, if you're looking for a temporary tattoo solution that's both high quality and safe, look no further than the wumawu Temporary Tattoo India Painting Tattoo Paste Cone Set. With its easy application, vibrant colors, and long-lasting results, it's clear why this product has become a favorite among tattoo enthusiasts worldwide. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews on the latest products. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.